Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'll be going over how to use ChatGPT as a Hindi translator. So let's get started. First, open your browser and type chat.openai.com. If you haven't logged in yet, then I suggest that you log in first. Simply begin by contributing your content in Romanian to the conversation. Type "Translate this in English" and press the Enter key to start the translation. Watch as ChatGPT swiftly and accurately conveys the meaning of words in Romanian while translating them into English. The investigation into language is still ongoing, though. Even if you opt to look up the Romanian equivalent of an English term out of curiosity, the procedure retains its usual attractiveness. Similar to before, say, "Translate this to Romanian" before inserting the English text of your choice. Watch as ChatGPT skillfully and effortlessly answers and offers the precise translation into Romanian. Even though ChatGPT has amazing potential, it is crucial to be aware that accuracy can change, especially under difficult conditions or while using sensitive terms. It is wise to consider getting a second opinion when making important decisions. That's it. I hope this video helps you out and see you in the next video.